Welcome to Ask Prep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of biology, which is mineral nutrition, essential nutrients, nitrogen metabolism. Mineral nutrition is a vital chapter in understanding how plants grow, develop, and perform their functions. Although we often focus on sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide as basic needs for plants, minerals from the soil are just as important. These mineral nutrients, though required in small quantities, play critical roles in enzymatic activity, structural integrity, and biochemical reactions in plants. For a student preparing for NEET or JEE, mastering mineral nutrition is not just about memorizing elements, but about understanding their specific functions, sources, deficiencies, and the intricate process of nitrogen metabolism which supports the core of plant growth. Plants absorb a variety of mineral elements from the soil, but not all of them are essential. An element is considered essential if it is directly involved in the plant's metabolism or structural components, and if the plant cannot complete its life cycle in the absence of that element. Essential nutrients are classified into two main groups based on the quantity required: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are needed in large amounts, while micronutrients such as iron, manganese, copper, molybdenum, zinc, boron, chlorine, and nickel are required in trace amounts. Each of these elements plays a unique role in the physiology of the plant. Nitrogen is a key component of proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins, and hormones. Phosphorus is involved in energy transfer through ATP and also in the structure of nucleic acids. Potassium regulates stomatal opening and closing, thus playing a major role in water regulation. Calcium contributes to cell wall stability and membrane functioning. Magnesium is the central atom of the chlorophyll molecule and is also important in enzyme activation. Sulfur is an essential component of some amino acids and coenzymes. Micronutrients, though required in smaller quantities, are equally important. Iron is crucial for chlorophyll synthesis and functions in electron transport chains. Zinc is needed for the synthesis of auxin, a growth hormone, and acts as an enzyme activator. Manganese plays a key role in the photolysis of water during photosynthesis. Copper is involved in redox reactions, while molybdenum is essential for nitrogen metabolism. Boron is required for membrane integrity and sugar transport. Chlorine and nickel have specific roles in osmoregulation and nitrogen metabolism respectively. Deficiency of any essential nutrient results in characteristic symptoms in plants. These include chlorosis or yellowing of leaves due to loss of chlorophyll, necrosis or death of tissue, stunted growth, premature leaf fall, and poor development of reproductive structures. The appearance of these symptoms helps in diagnosing which nutrient is lacking and guides proper fertilization practices. One of the most crucial nutrients for plant growth is nitrogen. Nitrogen metabolism in plants is a complex and highly regulated process, as nitrogen is required in large amounts but is not easily available in a usable form. The atmosphere is nearly 78% nitrogen, but plants cannot absorb nitrogen gas directly. They rely on nitrogen compounds like nitrate, nitrite, and ammonium ions, which are present in the soil. These compounds are either added to the soil through natural processes or via fertilizers. The process by which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into a form usable by plants is known as nitrogen fixation. This can happen through physical means like lighting or through biological nitrogen fixation carried out by certain prokaryotic organisms. Among these, the most well-known are symbiotic bacteria such as rhizobium, which form nodules in the roots of leguminous plants. Inside these nodules, the bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia through the action of an enzyme called nitrogenase. This ammonia is then used by the plant to synthesize amino acids and other nitrogen-containing compounds. Apart from symbiotic nitrogen fixation, there are also free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria like Azotobacter and Clostridium in the soil. Cyanobacteria such as Anabaena and Nostoc also contribute to nitrogen fixation in aquatic environments and rice fields. These microorganisms are critical to the nitrogen cycle and enhance the fertility of the soil naturally. Efficient nitrogen metabolism ensures healthy plant growth and productivity. However, excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers can lead to environmental issues such as water pollution, eutrophication, and the emission of greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide. Therefore, understanding natural processes like biological nitrogen fixation and promoting their use through biofertilizers is essential for sustainable agriculture. In the modern world, the use of nitrogen-fixing crops, biofertilizers, and genetically engineered plants that enhance nitrogen use efficiency are gaining importance. These strategies help reduce the dependency on chemical fertilizers and promote ecological balance. For a NEET or G aspirant, the topic of nitrogen metabolism not only builds the foundation of plant physiology but also opens up areas related to environmental science, biotechnology, and sustainable agriculture. To conclude, mineral nutrition and nitrogen metabolism are core pillars of plant biology. Every essential nutrient, whether macro or micro, plays a critical role in maintaining the health and function of plants. And nitrogen, being a key element in so many biological molecules, has a central place in this system. By understanding how plants acquire, transport, and utilize these nutrients, we gain insights into how life is sustained at the most basic level. It also helps us develop practical solutions for improving crop yields, managing soil health, and minimizing environmental damage. Thank you so much for being a part of the Ask Prep community. We truly appreciate your time and dedication to learning, especially when it comes to mastering biology, a subject that's not only essential for exams like NEET and G. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also preparing, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.